Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Today we're gonna be looking for this beautiful market that is popping up. Like it's very strong. So let's see what opportunities we find to trade. Did you see everything, Marie? Like pretty much green everywhere.
This
Minus
is
Tesla. I don't know why Tesla, but like yeah,
kind of and Johnson,
it's amazing.
but the rest it is a dark green. Ay
Yeah.
ay ay.
So
And when we're looking, like you said, the SPY. Wow.
So it should be a very interesting day. So, definitely a bunch of positive news for the states. So, yeah, let's see how this manifests during the day. So, how are you doing, Marie?
I am doing great.
Nice.
Cold but beautiful sunny day, and when we come in to trade and see this, it's definitely a good start to the day. And
Yeah,
how are you, Dave?
definitely. I'm pretty good. Just quiet, but doing good. Today is super cold, like as you're saying, minus 19.
It's
Minus
supposed to
19 and
break soon, though. For the weekend, we're supposed to be a little bit warmer. We'll see what that looks like.
it's okay. It's like I guess it's good to enjoy a little bit of the
Eh,
cold. So,
oh, and our skating rink looks.
yeah, I guess so. It should be very
It's
nice.
insane. Yes.
So yeah, for Spy, I have those trend line here that for a couple days, we are like we say those prices were like kind of compressing here, but hey, like right now it's like we are trading above the trend. Like this is very nice. So looking very bullish. The market today may hit all-time highs one more time. So like the all-time high on SPY, if I'm not mistaken, is 607. Let's see, it's a 607.81. So 607.81 is our all-time high on SPY. So
It's
yeah,
what, Davey?
607 with 81 cents.
Wow. That's high.
Yeah, but we are like very close to them. So
Very close,
yeah.
right? And
Like just a couple minutes ago, it was 606.17, 606. So with this type of catalyst for the market, for sure we can go higher. So yeah, a lot of technology related good news, a lot of alliance. So this is looking very good. So let's make sure we don't go counter today. And yeah, let's see what the market had to offer. Any comment on the media on Spy Marie? Sorry.
on SPY, no. It, like you said, it looks insanely. It is so far from that. It's far from the Dave we view up. Let's go for the 15. It's around the 15. We're going at the 5. It is trading above the 5. It's beautiful. Today it's just absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Really, you can see the same trend distance from the moving 200, the EMA. And wow, it's just beautiful. That is a beautiful strength. Is it possible it's going to pull back a little bit? It's doing it right now, right? So, but wow, that's strong. I
Yeah,
like that. I
definitely.
like that. And like you say, with every there's a lot of positive news right now, or a positive news trend that's happening in the States, and so yeah, I think the market is taking a big bite, and people are encouraged, right? Investors are seeing positive
Yeah, he
change.
he definitely took like those highs. Like this is a nice pullback recovery here. Like it's it was kind of trending down, but then it's like I don't know. Let's see. It's looking very interesting, as I say. Yeah. So for me, looking bullish there. So what do you have next on your list?
Well, quantum is big. So we've got QBTS this morning. So that's our first one. And the volume on there is ginormous already, dwarfing NVIDIA. So right now, if we're looking at the tape, what I really like, so before we talk about the tape, What I like is that QBTS has found a big resistance at 650, $6.50. Today has totally rejected that. And when we're looking at the tape, there's a stack where it is right now that goes down up to 650, being the biggest position. 651 between, if you're looking at 652, 651, and 650 as a position, we're looking at about 800 when we're accumulating both tapes. So the 650 looks insanely attractive right now. The issue is that there's still 40 cents to pull back to there. But there is another large level that is at the 6, and it's almost getting there. And that would be the stack at the 670, 660, 670. So at 670, there's a stack that starts from 240 lot up to 260, that's a 170 lot. So is that enough? And we've seen that before. Is that enough to stop? And there it is right now. So it's entering that stack. So I would put a bite at a 650 on that. I'm very interested. And right now, even it could go up down to 640, possibly 638, having a big position there.
Did you say 608?
Did not see 608. Where is 608? I don't have. Jeez, yeah. What a wall there, eh? 1200.
So, like the 650 to me looks a little bit obvious. So, like, yes, I see the sizes, but because of the sizes at 638, I will be considering the 638 and the 608.
Okay. Because of its relative strength right now, I'm not sure that it's going to be able to pull back to that level. We'll see. But it does look very bullish right now, and the 670 seems to have put the brakes a little bit on it. So we'll see how it's going to react, but I'm very interested in QBTS today. I like its strength.
Okay.
Next one?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Sorry. I was waiting for you to comment. So the next one is NVIDIA. So what a nice push for NVIDIA compared to yesterday. Yesterday we were talking of a PCL that was 140.82, if I'm not mistaken. No, 140.80. Yeah, 140.82. And now it's actually at a 145, trading at 145 with a pop-up this morning of 146 on the nose. So when we're looking at NVIDIA, looks very strong, looks very bullish. When we're looking at the tape, we've got a position that's very close right now at 144.93. And 144.93. It's close to the VWAP. At 144.93, and then that's 100 lot. We've got a double, somewhat of a double shield. It's not a very strong one, but somewhat of a double shield at 145, 144.99. That's about 50 lot. And then when we're looking, oops, wrong clicky. So, but what's interesting is the stack that we've got at 144. So 144.05, 144.01, and 144 plus 144 in the second tape. We're looking at a position close to 300. So 144 is very interesting, but that and 144 represents somewhat of that resistance turned into support this morning. So we'll see how it reacts, or if the market can pull it back to that. And when we're looking to the offer, a big position at 150. So the biggest one is at 150, and 150 represents close to 500. Then we've got the levels prior to that. That's going to be the 149, the 148. It's like, psychological at the rounded numbers. That goes up incrementally. What do you think of NVIDIA today, Davey?
Oh, I think it's a clear short. That was a joke.
Well, look at my face. This is what I went like this.
Yeah, that was a joke.
Okay, good.
So
Woo!
basically, Though,
That's a
like,
scary one.
and Joe have
Some truth to it.
some truth
Right?
to
Yeah,
it.
there
Yeah.
we go. There we go.
Crazy strong name. Like, I mean, it's amazing how this Nvidia is able to pop up $5, like just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe more than $5 because we were trading it yesterday at 138, 138.80.
And it
So,
closed at, we said, that's 140.
yeah, exactly. So, like now it's this 145. It's looking very attractive for the long for sure. Like there is a very clear trend line in the 30 minutes, I would say. Like yes, I cheated a bit here because it's not exactly a trend line. It will be like a speed line. So speed line. So basically, what I mean, if I take this one, you will see like
Yeah, it's a speed.
yeah. So they try to accelerate toward the upside.
Mhm.
So, and I know this is not the best point maybe for me to take it, but yeah, basically, as long as he's able to hold the major trend, like, yeah, this is a very nice long. Like, I was looking at the 60 minute to see where can we be pulling back. And there is a little peak here at 146.47. So that will be, we could say 147.50. But to think that it will pull back with the strength that is going on right there, like it's
You said what? Pull back to 147.50?
no, like
No.
like at 146.50,
Uh-huh.
we could take a little short there just to go counter for the little. But it's not that it will need like. I am not looking at it as a short.
Okay.
It's just saying because of the relevance
Ride a
of
little bit the dragon.
exactly. Like
Okay.
we may have a pullback from 146.50, maybe toward the 144 in the worst case. In the worst case, I will see it at 144. But if not, like, of course, and that's assuming that it will keep trending up. But yeah, definitely interest at the 146.50. Trying to go short for a little bit and then looking for the long. But
Okay.
yeah, this like look at the push up previously here. Like yes, it was very clean, very nice, but this one is even more clean and more
Oh,
nice.
steep.
So yeah,
Very
exactly.
steep.
And we came from where did we came from like a higher point pretty much.
Absolutely.
Not lower point actually. But yeah, it has some value. So let's see.
Exactly.
what it's
And,
gonna offer.
and we know that it's extremely correlated, or has been lately, with SPY.
Mm-hmm.
So, and SPY right now is interacting again with the VWAP and with the 50 EMA, and just doing that push. It's very nicely correlated again with Nvidia today. So
The tape is a little bit like neutral. Like I know it has bigger bids right now, but the offers are a little bit too spacey. So that may indicate a lack of selling. So which could make it choppy. Like the tape is looking like choppish. So, but yeah, definitely. I don't think it's gonna be a choppy name at the open. So
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, cool. That's it. Very strong name. So
I like it. Next up, we've got a QUBT. So QUBT right now is interacting with a important level. So we've got a big position at 12. When we're looking at the bid, the biggest position is 12. It's practically the only position is at a 12, and it's very close to react right there. When we're looking though at the offer, it's not a crowded tape, but we do have offers going up to 13. So 13, it wicked that. We traded that yesterday at the end of the day. After the market closed, it was trading around 13. Then though at 13, after that we got 13.50, 14, 14.50, 15, 16, 17. So that stack at once that it gets 13 seems to really have a little bit of momentum. So we'll see what it does at this moment with that 12, and then we've got the 12.50 that's quite strong, and see how it reacts in those levels. I would probably be right now QUBT like QBTS, it seems to be displaying some strength. When we're looking at actually it was the 16th of January. we're looking at trading close to 14. So it's not very far off at the moment. I like what it's doing, but what I don't like is underneath the VWAP, and we would need to see at 1250 what it does there.
Perfect. Yeah, you know something that like
But I'd be interested to take a long at 12 and see how. So
hello,
go.
hello. Good morning, Zach.
Good morning,
Good
Zach.
morning.
How are you doing?
You good? What about you guys?
Very
good,
good.
very good. Here with this market that is going crazy.
Mhm.
Yeah. So yeah.
Actually, yeah.
What I was going to say, Marie, is that like this is sorry, I'm doing my back test for those things. No back test. This is live test, but it's a test. So yeah, I was seeing the yeah, like what I was going to say. Sorry about that. What I was going to say is that with this type of catalyst in the market, like I feel not satisfied by the push of the quantum names, like those QBT, QBTS, and QUBT. Like this thing pop up like 24% in another type of catalyst. So that is not, in my opinion, it was not as good as the ones from yesterday, let's say. But if we have, if we add to the equation the fact that this was like after the CEO of Nvidia and Mark Zuckerberg was talking about AI is a little bit farther, so maybe that's why this is not popping up as aggressive as previously. But but yeah, I would like
But
my
when you're saying,
expectations for this, it will be like instead of like I know like QUBT is 5.7% up, and QBTS was 10%, now it's 12% up. So
yeah,
like
that's kind of good, right? And $5 up in 3 days on a 12. No,
yes, I understand that like as a day trade move, yes, it's nice. As a swing trade move, like it's not a trade. Like I mean, what I am trying to elaborate here is not related to a trade that we will take. It's just the move of the stock. Like I mean, I find that like you move way more in the FOMO than what it is moving in the actual catalyst that can really potentially move it higher.
okay,
So, but that might be because he got destroyed. So like maybe people
could
are
be
more
right.
conservative now. But
Well said.
yeah, it's like I was impressed. I find the numbers small. That's what I'm trying to say. Like
Good point.
the way those names trades, they can double overnight. So or divide half, or like cut half overnight. So if that didn't fuel it, but yeah, good. I'm good with that.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I won't be trading those names today.
No.
No. Next one.
What did I do now?
Just click in the here. Restore. There.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What was that?
No, that's how I felt. Like, when a kid plays with the game and all of a sudden something is stuck. I felt like, Okay, thank you, Davey. So, the next one up is Oracle. So, when we're looking at Oracle, there's not a whole lot on the tape. It's
Let's
hard
make
to
sure
read
we
the...
took a look at Netflix just for the fun of it. I know we don't trade it because it's so expensive, but like, yeah, Oracle.
Okay, so right now we're looking at Oracle. So on the tape, we cannot see a whole lot except the psychological levels that are present at right now 191, but it's a 25 lot, just went through. And we've got, then it's at, we're looking at about the 50 lots. So it's 186, 185, 184, and it just goes down like this to actually 180. We do have a position of 98 at 175. So, yeah, above the. So, what do you see? What did you want to add to that?
Yeah, like this is just again like they were gonna be part of this deal about quantum computing development. So yeah, this is a huge gap. Like this is amazing how this name is just popping up. So I haven't traded Oracle much, but hey man, like if you manage to hold that VWAP, like with this type of news, like do you think it can go to 197 something like that?
Absolutely.
It's very nice. So be aware that we may pull back aggressively as well too before we really go there. So, but yeah, looking long.
Okay.
We are looking long all across the stock. So like,
True.
until something change.
Absolutely. So one thing, okay, because we've got that 5 minutes, I just want, because I listened to what Trump was saying, and a little bit of it's going to be a high bid. So right now, Trump is stated in a very short statement. I'll resume with where America is going to be the cryptocurrency capital of the world. So power of the world. So right now, when we're looking at that, we should be seeing a pop on IBIT and Mara. Even the president saying that he wanted to launch his own cryptocurrency in the honor of his wife, naming it after his wife. So he seems to be really big on crypto right now. His son is a big fan and helping him on. So when we're looking at both Mara and both IBIT, I don't see the strength. I do see that it's close to VWAP. I see the volume of the buying right there. We would need to see how it's going to react to the VWAP. But what do you? So I just wanted to point out both of them. It did when we're looking at pre-market. Or yesterday even, it was trading at the 60s, so it's still not that far off. But I just wanted to take a quick look at those.
Yeah, the overall trend for me is very strong in that. Like I find it very strong. So, like we have been like after we test those 90s, like in Bitcoin, like 90,000, it's just monster.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's a long. You have to find your spot in there because let's see. A price that we are too far from there. Let's see, that turbine is gonna kill us. Yeah, somewhere around there maybe. Maybe we can check if he wants to retest like that around this previous low. Like yesterday, that's maybe too low, but let's see if in the frequency and sizes.
Less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, looking long in that one too.
Okay.
It's healthy maybe to let it escape the train, like the secondary train.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, looking long on it too. So now look at if you have the time NFLX, which is Netflix.
Ooh.
Up 15%. So
What happened there?
Yeah, this thing went like they report earnings and they were amazing.
Yeah, Nvidia's
from
earnings
558
coming too.
to 997 and higher. It's $1,000 right now. So
Okay.
very nice thing. So I'm gonna go look SPY. I'm gonna take it easy, as I say.
Yeah, they say on Netflix that when it hits 1,000,
It's gonna
you're
split.
gonna split.
Oh.
Very nice, very nice,
That
very
would be spectacular.
But they crush on earnings, like 3 million more subscribers. And
Yeah, like double of what they were expecting. It's like woof.
yeah. And they're gonna raise price.
Hehe. This is a little bit awkward to draw here, but like.
So I'm placing my orders right now. So I'm placing a small position at 144 for Nvidia for long. And I placed a small position on QUBT at 12 for long. So we're going to see what it's going to go, but I believe that Nvidia is going to go without us. We'll see. Okay, have fun everyone, and the market's on.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Look, everybody. So
So the market now is, oof, that's a big candle. So I was able to get Nvidia and qubits at that price. So QUBT is working very, very well, printing well. As well, Nvidia's printing not as quickly.
trying to go. Okay. I took away the half position hotkey, and that's killing me.
Mm-hmm.
I let me this one. So that one will be. I know it's a little bit obvious yet, so let's try that. So Nvidia, I'm trying to go long on Nvidia.
Okay. Okay.
Look at that! Look at that offer at 145. I missed the entry. because
I'm
I
over
put-
$1 in the money with Nvidia.
Very good, very good, very.
Ha!
Yeah.
And QUBT, like this is absolutely mental. I am going to see what QUBT is doing right there. We knew the VWAP was going to be big. Is it going to go through the VWAP? Holy crap.
Nice, nice.
Almost $2 in the money with only no. Ben voyons donc. I'm breaking even with both trades.
Okay,
Wow.
Okay.
Well,
Que no cunde el pánico.
I really want to get up and dance, but we're gonna hold that back.
Okay, I want to place an order where I haven't been able to. Okay, now I have my order. Go for it, Emilia. Go for it. Go for it. You can do it.
Here comes the money.
Yalla. Yeah, it's a matter of patience, I think.
Well, in this case here, to put exactly where, and it's been a while that I haven't done that, to say, hey, I'm going to put a position exactly where the biggest player is, the biggest position is, and today obviously it worked very well, but not always like that, eh? Not always.
Okay, I have to choose right now between Nvidia or PLTR.
So the market
difference
right
that
now-
PLTR is giving it to me right now, and Nvidia is not. So I'm gonna cancel that Nvidia. I'm gonna jump into PLTR. And there we go. Okay. We're gonna be getting PLTR very soon. Go for it.
So 145 could be a good one for Nvidia to go back in. That's where I'm going to be adding. Let's see where it's going to go.
Okay, let's see Nvidia. Back to reality. I got that PLTR. That's instant in the money. That was a good shot. That was a very good shot on PLTR. I wanted to see it against me. It need to go against me for a little bit. Let's see. Come on, I know you can do it. Go against me. what I'm going short. PLTR, NVDA. Hey, you don't sleep on that, okay? No. You don't want to get smoky early.
So I'm just going to read the tape a little bit on QUBT. I'm breaking even on NVIDIA. If it gets me out, it gets me out. Market is pulling back. I was able to take a partial on NVIDIA. I was disciplined. So when I'm looking at QUBT and the positions, whoa, we just found a lot of sellers are.
That was
NVIDIA did not get me out by the penny. Okay, so
What is
QBT
SPY doing?
is so SPY is still around the
hanging around there.
just hanging around. I'm going to try to build a position on QBTS. I like the way that it's reacting around that VWAP. And there we go.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this thing haven't been able to take a trade because of course SPY, NVIDIA haven't make a 5-minute high.
Mm-hmm.
Once NVIDIA make a 5-minute high, this thing is gonna take a trade.
Wow, NVIDIA did not get me out by the penny. So SPY now interacting and pushing up. The seller seems to have lost a little bit of momentum here.
Okay, let me do a little a better job on PLTR. So I know why I am shorting the other.
Okay.
That's a for sure. But I don't know where the trend is. So and I have to be aware of that. So you have to be aware of that because if you are not, you don't know how well it is respecting the trend. Okay, let's go a little shorter time frame. There we go. How are we looking like? What about the 5? Okay, in the 5 we are a little bit too noisy. Y si te quedas esta noche.
Wow, what a wick, eh, on NVIDIA?
I know.
What was that?
Oh man, I want that short on Nvidia, but like as I say, it's like the second time. Second time. There haven't been a first time, at least today. So because there haven't been a first time, maybe it is a good idea to give it a shot at that 146.50 as a short.
NVIDIA didn't get me out, so buy the penny.
By the penny, yeah.
Buy the penny. So I am printing really good with NVIDIA still, so I'm gonna stay quiet. I am concerned about the stack around the 145.90 to 146. Pretty much where it wicked it there. Is that going to be? There's a big position at 146.30 that's right above there. So let's see what it's going to do. So right now, SPY though is trading around the VWAP.
Come on, PLTR. Do better, my guy. You can do better.
$1.50.
Is PLTR gonna pull out the Nvidia yesterday? Like, I don't think so, but yeah, I don't think so.
No.
You see, Nvidia was doing the megaphone in the for the day. Like, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Like, it was making higher highs and lower low as the time go through. So, if I am betting that PLTR won't do that today, it shouldn't break this high. So my high is way above that. Like, there is a big guy at 75. So there we go. It goes 75. It's like, I'm pretty sure if we will be looking at the tape, Marie will be telling me it's gonna go to 75, and I say yes, because she's normally right about that one.
Yeah, it's gonna go to 75.
But markets are extended today. There is no doubt about that. So
That's where it's gonna breach. Oh, do I want to take a little bite there? That thing looks
What about
insanely
Nvidia?
bullish.
on PLTR, but I am using a combination of chart tapes and everything. So let's see who's talking louder. Yeah, we went very close to the line. So I say that's not the trade for me right there. It's, it will be healthy to have a line from here to here in that BLTR. Oh yeah. Decent offer and decent bid at 28.24. We are holding good on PLTR. But as I say, look at the what happened with the guy with the 1,000. Like, he's pretty much alone there. So Pablito is buying alone there, selling.
Pablito. I love when he says it. Pablito.
Yeah.
Should have stayed.
Okay, Nvidia is at my short point, but I am not shorting Nvidia. I'm not shorting Nvidia because I want to focus in PLTR, which is doing okay. And this thing is relatively strong, so you see how clean we claim the trend. So do I really want to go against that? Probably. What is SPY doing?
Still not doing much.
Yeah.
I'm $2 in the money for Nvidia.
Nice. Okay, I'm just gonna watch Nvidia. I won't take the trade, but I'm gonna watch it.
Okay.
Yeah. That crossed that like butter pretty much, so. Are you gonna bridge 47? Let's look at that tape. Oof. Yeah, he's trying to go to 47.20. 47. What a strong name.
And it did not get $2. I'm almost $2. I'm $2.70 in the money. On
And
Nvidia.
not even a little pullback.
No.
At least not after he went
It
to the
took
44.
off.
Yeah.
You know what? On PLTR.
Ooh, that was the alarm for the tiger to come out.
Is the tiger coming out?
Yeah, looking for it.
Nice. There is no rush today. Like there is gonna be a bunch of opportunities. So
I'm trying new things too.
Nice.
nice.
I'm so happy. I am so happy I took PLTR at the overnight VWAP. I saw the tape as bullish. We're going to 75. Let's go. Whew.
Nice.
We will see. We will see.
Oof, Nvidia start crying. Nvidia.
No
what
crying
happened?
for you, Nvidia. No crying for you.
Ooh, so tempted. It's looking so tempted, that Nvidia.
To go in on the back.
Money talks. Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So at 146.45 could be a good opportunity to go in for Nvidia.
Sure. So what I want to look at so far here, let's see. Oh, it took a trade and it made money. Ah, nice.
Oh, did it? You're
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, like yesterday I did something different. Like I think it is in another trade. It is in another, and it's also making money too. So very nice.
I love it.
I supposed to tell it what to trade, but like,
It's figuring it out.
no, I did told what to trade.
Okay.
But it's like yesterday, when I see the chart for I lose some video. When I look at the chart, I see, oh, but it was making money in all the trade it took, but it never took partials. So, and then I say, because I like, the idea is that I will identify only the names that are like kind of holding good.
Mm-hmm.
But Mara didn't hold at all after.
No.
It was able to make money. He just didn't keep it. I am offering Nvidia at let's see. Well, I'm offering Nvidia at 47. So I'm going short Nvidia at 47, 147. It is a small trade. If I get that, it's a very small trade. So it's just I am so tempted, like right there, like that thing, like yes, it can hold there, but like that is the price where like that 146.70, 146.60 is the price where my analysis say you have to take a decision, like or you go long from there, or you wait for us to break below there.
I added.
Yeah, I got the short. So I don't want to influence you too much. So you do you.
Oh, for sure. I added on the pullback
Yeah.
because I want to take my partial at 147, like you said.
But this is a very technical trade, so I'm not concerned. That's why I was so tempted to take it. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Here we go. Money talks. Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So SPY is looking okay right now. Nvidia popping up.
Holding for 147, just as I said it. It lost it.
This is how we do it.
Reprinting 147 very quickly. That was lots of blueprint there. Okay, watch it go.
Yeah.
SPY is making a doji and is interacting with the top of the range, of the opening range. So, okay, I'm interested here. So QU,
BT.
BT, and QBTS right now is at a very interesting level. It did not make a lower low. I'm really liking that. We'll see. Wow. $2.30 in Nvidia.
Very nice trade, Marie.
Thank you, Didi. Finding a top there, eh? At the 147, as you said.
I want to say I know, but I want to say like you. What was that? Like I think I sent you the reels at some point. Like an Hindu or Indian guy that say, "I know." I told you, I know.
I know.
So it sounds so funny, and yeah.
SPY's still at the top of the range. So let's clear these levels right here for QU.
Maybe I don't like the fact that those trades have last so long to work. Like, I mean, even if they work, but like, I'm trying to know, step out of the trade if I am not completely wrong. Like, yes, it's different than being dynamic with the stop loss. Like, yeah, being dynamic with the stop loss is something, but like, according to my evaluation of the entry, this is not a bad entry on PLTR. So if I want to hold it, like my stop loss is 75.16. So we need to go 75.16 for it to get me out. So I need to let it work because I have a good entry. So if my entry is questionable, like I
SPY's going kaboom.
nice. Then I will be looking the other way, but yeah. So Nvidia, this is SPY. Yeah, SPY I put a line there, all-time high. I think it's gonna go there. This is crazy how strong SPY is. Let's see. Yeah. Though it is due to a pullback. Like, I mean, yeah.
So do I get out? Do I get out?
You have
I
to
really
exercise
don't
your
want-
diamond hands.
Diamond ones.
Yeah, like the way that is debating the prices I get is lasting too long. I know they are good prices because of like for how long I have been able to stay there. Also, like that's just a confirmation of yes, you have a good price. But normally I like the trade to pick up a little bit faster.
So I took a position in QBTS. What I did like is that it did not make a lower low when it pulled back the second time. So typically that means that the push should be going to the VWAP. It's interacting right now at the overnight VWAP. I really like the RSI on QBTS. It's really, the tape is acceleration, really good acceleration on the tape. I really want to see how it's going to react there.
Mhm.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go, QBTS. Let's go. You know you want it. So, let's see. Let's relook at those levels. Yeah, 7 is going to be a little bit of a resistance. Am I going to be disciplined enough to take that partial? Oy. Okay, so SPY right now, way above anything. It's just above everything.
Yeah, I think PLCI is gonna get me out. That's okay. Even Nvidia popping up very nice.
Okay, QBTS, am I going to take a position at 7? Are you going to give it to me? Are you going to give it to me? Are you in anything, Zach?
I'm just looking again, like I'm trying things.
Okay. Well, I really don't like that consolidation that NVIDIA is doing right now with that kind of a push with SPY.
Oh yeah. But I think like now I believe more in your side. Like I think but like they have defended like quite well. Like I mean, this is not pulling back as it's like yeah. So as I say, I have a decent entry. So, but I'm impressed for how good they have been holding there. So
Agreed.
do I still want to be looking counter? I don't think it's a good idea, maybe, but they are working for now. So
Okay, so 4650 is going to be printed again for NVIDIA. At NVIDIA, if it prints below 146.50, I am going to take my money and run. Beautiful trade in QBTS right now. We'll see. It's pulling a little bit back to the VWAP. Is it? If it loses it, I'm going to take some of that. I did. I like it.
nice.
Here we go. Money talk. Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Yalla yalla. This is how we do it.
La, 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 la. So, SPY is maintaining the 606. And NVIDIA is still not at the VWAP. Okay, so we've got a big position now that's going to, and it's not even going to. I was going to say it's going to be printing. Not a chance. It does not want to do it. Wow. Pish, pish, bash.
You are in a very like that spot is a very right now it's gonna be a little bit higher volatility there. So just be aware of that.
Okay, so SPY's printing higher. Oh, let's go QPTS. Finding a little bit of resistance, a little too much resistance there, but
Yeah, I'm gonna read the tapes a little.
Yeah.
Just like I find that PLTR is like I know it's working ish, but it's lasting too long in there. Like come on, my guy, accelerate that thing. Like, you wanna dump it, dump it.
here we go.
Here we go. Money talks.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yalla yalla. I think I can take partial at 73, 60, 73, 62, 60 something. There we go. Now we have some acceleration. Accelerate the car. There we go. Okay, now let's start the partialing. So this is PLTR 74. Let's not be too picky with it. There we go. A little push, a little push. There we go. One more push. Come on, I know you wanna do it. Go for it. Okay. Okay, as I say, I won't be too picky with it. So it's not offering me. Let's just drop the order. 74 maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna drop off the order instead of me trying to do it manually. So then we have Nvidia. This is another story. After that VWAP print, let's see. Sleep too long on it. PLTI is okay. I know PLTI is gonna go back, but Nvidia I'm not that sure. So let's see. Okay, come on. This is PLTR. Do I have the thing? Yeah. Okay, I have the profit on PLTR. I have the profit taking on PLTR.
SPY's making a doji.
Go down, my guy. Go down.
A move is going to be happening. Hold on to your butts.
So I got in long on PLTR and
Hold
long
on.
on SPXU.
Understood.
So that's counter.
Yeah, your two trades are counter. Come on, 18 cents. Ring the bell.
Mm-hmm.
Oof.
Oof. ¿Por qué oof?
PLTR just took a little gappy there. And that's one of the no good gaps. There we go. Go for it. And 1 more cent. I know you can go one more. Like, it went 73.99. My partial is at 73.98.
Oh!
There we go. Go for it. Really. It's okay. The tape is just a little light. There we go. One more push.
Okay, so the market did a 5-minute incredibly wicky doji, and now it's pushing up.
Understood? There we go. We're ringing the bell for PLTR.
Love it! Woo!
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Now let's see the NVDA. NVIDIA is, as I say, I don't feel extra confidence about NVIDIA, so I kind of have to maybe take it out. As I say a small trade that like it was doing good, so I could hold it if I want, but I'm not sure that that's the right call because of how strong it is. So
Mm-hmm. I know what you mean.
though it could work, you know, like I mean. Oof, a spice going higher. I don't necessarily, as I say, I don't think I'm necessarily
Did
correct.
you see that doji almost, right?
Oh, a spy, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what that doji is to me?
Yeah, it's so usually a reversal, right? But look, it's not.
It's just a yeah, like that's what I mean. Like
It's pressure.
you can get the doji now, then get another leg up, and then get the reversal.
Get the reversal.
Like
Mhm.
sometimes the doji is just informing that hey, we might go the other way from here. It doesn't say we're gonna go the
Yeah,
other way
it's
from
like
here.
a signal.
Yeah, so
Spy's still pushing up. I'd be shocked that it wouldn't go to 147, but could very well be that Nvidia will not.
the problem is at 146.60. So if it's useful, you can use it 146.60, 146.70.
Okay. Yeah, it's printing right now. We found a whole lot of blue and green. We'll see.
And
So all three are merging.
I'm trying to merge efficiency with my style of trading because like I do like holding for long. So that scalpy mode is not the best for me. So like,
And I'm in the reverse where I'm holding forever. It seems like Nvidia, that's still my, Nvidia is still the one I took at the open
But
and I still have the
in
position.
you that's an exception.
That is, that's what I mean. I'm the reverse right now of you. You're in mine. You're trying to
no,
scalp it.
I'm not scalping. That's what
I'm
I'm saying.
holding since forever.
But what I'm trying to communicate is, I don't want to be scalping.
Mm.
So, like yes, the nature of the market is like for
It
a
sometimes
day
is,
trade,
right?
is maybe scalping, but most of the days, or I don't know, like we won't go too technical on that one, but like what I'm saying is like uh, I need to find a way that I am able to hold the trades for longer, but at the same time like not holding the bag as I did the no, it's true.
No, it's
Like,
true. Left holding the bag. That's a very good
Yeah, like-
analogy, right?
like partially when it makes sense, hey, it makes sense. Like Nvidia, I need to. I'm gonna put it right away. Like I put Nvidia partially whenever you make another low, if ever, if ever you make another low.
So SPY now is actually pushing through. It's like wow. Woohoo! Okay, so if Nvidia does not get love and sugar from that one, that push up, I'm gonna say bye-bye, but it's almost impossible that will not. I mean, what a push up from SPY. SPY is still gaining strength. Ooh, super tape acceleration on Nvidia.
The LTR is looking like. Zach, were you able to print on that one?
Yeah, I'm a stop loss far.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like almost at R element.
Nice.
Nice. So when is Nvidia gonna escape for good?
But it's the same than PLTR. Like that just tells me that it's gonna be SPY related. Like I mean, well, overall market related. Like right now, like if we have PLTR, is that price like 74.64 is the price that I am shorting because it's the price that makes sense to me. So Nvidia is it's the same thing. It's 46.67. So if we zoom out, we have a big interaction here. This is a previous top in Nvidia.
Mm.
In PLTR, this is a previous. Let's see. Wait for those topic here.
It's at the same
yeah.
almost, right?
And it was like here it act as a support, and here it act as a level of resistance. The tree line on top, I put it just as a efficiency point. Like I know that 75 was the best price, but I say I have to have my stop loss about 75.40. I didn't. That's why it's like a little bit sketchy. So my stop loss right now is 75.16. We went 75, and we were not able to print more than 75, not even 19. The second time was 75.04. So, but this is looking strong. So that's why, Zach, beautiful long here maybe for you. I don't know what price you got, but like that trend is still intact.
Yeah, 74.14. Not the best, but
Pretty close. Pretty close. Pretty close to one of the good. So. Something here is that Nvidia is stronger than PLTR quite by a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have the stronger name struggling at that level, what do you expect the other to do too? So it's like
Tank.
I'm not saying that they are necessarily correlated, but yeah, I would be maybe expecting it to not hold as well. Hey, that thing is making money today.
Ooh.
Like, I later on we go through the details here, but like yesterday was the same thing. If I did what I did today on this, like yesterday I didn't specify, but here I'm telling it, take that profit no matter what. So, and like yesterday it didn't have that, but yesterday when we come back to the level we were testing, so we have here, like if you see the performance, it did that money, like it did more, a little bit more than that. So you undershoot it just for you to keep some. The last two it will take a loss anyways, but it will be breaking even day for it today, yesterday, and that's why today I specified, just take that little money.
Take a bite.
Yeah, and get out. If you do like a look, it's day trading Nvidia.
I love that.
So
Market's still pushing.
I got out of PLTR, but I my mistake. I have too many. Like I didn't correct my stop loss, so now it's going long. Yeah, I'm gonna go out of PLTR because it's not the trade I want. Not like that. I don't want it like that. So I'm just gonna reload the trade.
I took partial at the other run.
Very nice.
SPY crossing 607. I still have my Nvidia position. It's below the biggest position, so we'll see what is going to happen there. It's entering the stack now. SPY still pushing.
I did. We took the short on PLTR. Now I have the stop loss I want. So it's still okay trade. So it's short, partial, got out.
SPY crossing
Sure,
607.
Very choppy PLTR. I mean, like it's manageable, but very choppy. I would consider it choppy.
Mm-hmm.